Kim Possible, like this cover. Hey queens, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel and seeing my face, thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. It means so much to me that you decided to visit my channel, and I hope that you will click the subscribe button below, join the queendom, and click the bell for notifications so you miss none of this greatness. So today I'm giving you a wig review by It's a Wig. This is their new wig, Raven, and I have it in the color Vivid Copper. This is what the tag is looking like. And of course, I bought this online with my own money. So this is like a shake and go type of wig. There's no combs, only adjustable straps. Of course, no parting, but the bangs are popping, y'all. Like, it's like not too much, not too thick, not too thin. Great length. So far, I'm loving it. This copper is super copper. Like, it's like super copper, and I was so afraid to try it, but I really like it. It's cute. I'm feeling it. It is a bold color, not a wig that you will wear every day because it does look very synthetic on the stock card. It looks more of a yucky texture and straighter ends, but they are bumped very much so, and it is very silky synthetic texture wig. So this is something that I would not wear every day, but still a cute look. So I'm going to actually try and take my flat iron and see if I can make these ends straighter. It says that it's up to 350 degrees heat safe for flat irons, so we're gonna see. Okay queens, this is the final look. I bumped one side of the wig and tried to make it straight, but it seems like it's not even like straightening it, so I'm just gonna go with this. If you like the hat that I'm wearing, this is available in my boutique online. I will leave the link in the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my 360. Okay queens, thank you so much for tuning in to this review. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!